Eddie?
Chrissy?
Do you ever feel like you're losing your mind?
I didn't know what to do, so they ran away.
Chrissy! 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 Wake up now! Chrissy!
I left her.
Chrissy!
Chrissy, this is for you.
You can pay. You know, this isn't the first time that we've, hung out.
No?
Don't remember?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Stuff in my hair? I was with my band. You should come see us. We play at the Hideout on Tuesdays. Pretty cool.
You know, you're not what I thought you'd be like.
Mean and scary? Yeah, well, I actually kind of thought you'd be kind of mean and scary too. Terrifying.
Look at us. We are not heroes.
Chrissy, this is from you.